Welcome to the Smart Restock invoice import app. So to get started, we're gonna install the app. Once we install the app, you should be redirected to the plans that we have. We offer a 14-day free trial, and then after that it's $9.99 for the starter plan. This is the best plan to play around and see if this app is for you. The other plans are the Lite, which is $19.99. You get 20 invoices per month included with that. The Unlimited Plus has unlimited invoices if that's what you need for your shop. We also do offer the regular unlimited here. The only difference is the other plans include AI product generation, and this one does not. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the starter plan, and you have 14 days to try it out for free. Once we've selected the plan, we'll be redirected to this page, and what we're going to do is just set up our inventory defaults. So I'm going to select the location as my default location here. For every vendor, you'll be able to set a default as well. It's up to you. This is just for the initial setup. And then we want to set how our costs will be updated. By default, it's weighted average. So if you had 20 products at $10 before and now you're importing 10 products at $15, the cost will be averaged out. There's an explanation down here. You can also set it to last cost, which would basically just take the new cost in the invoice and update your cost in Shopify, ignoring whatever cost you previously had, or you could say don't update at all. Along with these options, these two options, we have the option of adjusting your selling price of the product based on your margin that you have set already. So if a product's cost increases and you want to sell your products at a margin of 50%, for example, this will automatically update the selling price. So once we've selected our options here, we want to just click Save Inventory Defaults, and we'll see a pop-up here. Next, here we'll add vendors. I've already set up my shop, so I already have my vendors, but for the first invoice, you want to just type in the invoice or the vendor name here and click the save button, and you'll see a complete badge up here. And then we're ready to upload the first invoice, and we're just gonna go here and we're gonna select our first vendor. I'll just go with test, and let's see here. We'll go with this one, upload invoice, and that's it. You've uploaded your first invoice, and we can see that it's right here. In the next video, I will show you how to scan, select columns, and move on to the next step to get your inventory uploaded into Shopify. Thank you.